This is a solution to help your loved one if they're in a facility where they have scheduled meal times and they're worried about missing their meals. Now, of course, they could ask, what time is lunch? But what they really want to know is how much longer until lunch. So here's what you could do. Create routines that could translate their request into a how long to a fixed time. So this is the way it works. Alexa, how long until lunch?
Grandpa, lunch will be at 11:45 a.m. is in 3 hours and 17 minutes.
Okay, and that's the kind of thing that your loved one, if they have dementia, might want, because they may be asking, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? And what they really want to know is what time until the next scheduled event. So you could create events for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and group meetings or whatever.